Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The service symbol on your Activa 5G warns of maintenance or an electronic fault. Start by turning the ignition to on and observing any additional warning indicators. Check the 12V battery voltage with a multimeter before attempting resets or diagnostics. Also verify the engine kill switch is in RUN position and brake sensor connections are clean. If the symbol accompanies reduced performance, stop riding and contact service immediately. Refer to the OEM manual for the exact service specifications and tolerances. Performing a battery disconnect reset can clear the service symbol if no actual fault exists. Turn the ignition OFF and remove the seat using the seat latch and key. Locate the 12V battery and disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10 mm wrench. Wait 30 seconds with the terminal disconnected to allow the ECU to fully reset. Reconnect negative terminal, tighten snugly, then switch ignition on and verify dashboard status. If the symbol persists after 2 resets, do not attempt further resets at home. Persistent service symbols often indicate stored fault codes requiring diagnostic retrieval. A dealer will use Honda Diagnostic Tool to read codes and clear them properly. Bring records showing last service date and any recent battery or fuel system work. Expect a basic diagnostic fee and a repair estimate if parts are needed. If under warranty, present your warranty details and service history for possible coverage. Record the exact dashboard behavior and the time the symbol first appeared for the technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.